Hey guys, here we have a BMW 5 Series sedan. This is the 2027. Some minor changes from the 26. But here we go. Pretty simple. I still twist, pull, and yank the sweep out of there. Very, very simple, okay? And this one is the same way. The only difference now is, number one, on this model, they didn't have a Twitter cover. I mean, they have the cover, but they didn't have the Twitter. So I removed the cover just to alleviate a little bit of the tension over here. But if you can see on this side over here, okay, this little part that is going over beyond the column over here, it got increased in size. So in the older models, we were able to pull over here, twist, and it would come over the metal. Well, now it's so long that I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull to that side, this side of the column, without breaking this tip. So let's forget about that. Let's leave that alone. And all we're gonna do, it's the same procedure as before. We're gonna twist and peel. See, like so. Very simple. This lip over here, it's what's gonna go on that groove over there later. It's just gonna go over and bite over there. Well, you can see that the sweep over here, it's under this column cover. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the column cover out of the way, and I can get my pick tool, and I'll go right here on the edge of the sweep, lift just enough for you to hold it, and now instead of going all the way through like most BMWs we do, I'm gonna pull it that way. Make sure you don't hit this column over here and scratch it. So I'm holding in a way that I can pull without scratching anything. So pull it, it's out, okay? Pretty simple. When you're done with your work, all you're gonna do is you're gonna rest this lip over here, right on this metal edge over here. You rest that over there. Again, be careful with this. You're gonna slide it back, put it down. Now you notice that this cap just needs to go back over, and then all you're gonna do is twist this thing up and make sure you get it inside of that groove. Now, many times you can do it simply this way, but most times you have to get the red wide tool that you guys have seen me using once in a while. You can close that door and go over here. Actually, just hold on a second. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. You get this tool over here. Go inside of, you see how the lip, it's there? Okay, I'm going to bring this tool right there, and that just enough to lift that lip. I don't know if you can see over there. See the lip? Now it's on top of it. So I'm going to pull the tool and the door panel at the same time together. Now the lip, it's over, okay? So now I can keep pulling. Up to here, it's already inside. Without letting it go, get the tool again, put it on top, pull it. Up to over here, it's in place. I'm going to put the tool again, pull it, and it's all in place, and we did not remove any screws, okay? I hope that helps somebody out there. Bye-bye.